Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so I did the eyeless makeup look again, and now I'm gonna do the hair for this makeup look again. But this time, I'm listening to you guys, and I will do what you said in the comments. So a few people mentioned Blind Mag, and that I should do my hair in a similar style. So I will try. Okay, I'm gonna preface this by saying that I have no idea how to do hair, but I'm gonna curl my hair, and then I'm gonna put it in a high ponytail to maybe give it more volume. I don't know, guys. And I feel like I kind of want the curls to look messy-ish. Like, I don't want them to be even, like, tight curls. Like, I just want them there for volume, you know? Put all of my hair in a ponytail with the little side strands hanging out? Or should I do, like, a half pony? I'm kind of leaning towards full, so I'm gonna tease my hair. I also don't know how teasing really works. You can tell that I don't know how teasing works. Okay, considering how bad I am at teasing hair, this is not bad. Also, my hair is a lot shorter, so my ponytail ends here instead of it going past my shoulders, but that's fine. The hand clips are coming back. Okay, while the clips are super cute, when I look straight on, I don't like them. Like, still want the clips on my hair, so I'm just gonna put them here. Okay, last minute decision. I put in these like crossed bobby pins in my hair. I feel like that helps. I feel like I need to be like a new member of the Addams family or something. I kinda love it.
Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
Get unready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns, take off this choker, take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And finally, the lips. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing, I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off, I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins, yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Down the boogie, down the let's groove, let that boogie down. Get to boom and send us right to life. Alright, baby, slice it right, let's groove. Set in your shoes, let's go and groove tonight. Alright.
Okay, so I'm gonna be redoing this makeup look, but taking all of your suggestions. So a bunch of people said that I should put on either red or black sclera, so I'm gonna go with a compromise and put on the ones that have both colors. Okay, step 1 is done. Okay, I feel like the only option I have is using a waterproof eyeliner because I have a feeling my eyes are gonna continue watering. There are some people who are really good at wearing scleras, but as you can tell, I am not one of those people. My puffy crying eyes are gonna be a part of this look now. Okay, I'm still gonna be using red lipstick for the red part of the eye makeup, but I am gonna make it glossy later. Okay, it's now time to make the red part of my eye look glossy. I was thinking of using lip gloss, but that's not gonna last a long time. And then I was like, maybe I'll use the lash glue, but then this one stays sticky even after it dries, so I can't use that one. So I'll use this lash glue and see if it looks shiny. This is either gonna look really good or really bad. Let's see how it dries. Okay, so compared to this eye, I do think that it does look pretty shiny. I might do it on the other eye too. Okay, I did my hair and I think I'm done. But wait, this look looks a lot cooler when I only have the top light on. Let me know what you guys think. Should I go out in public like this? Cause I might.
If you think I'm pretty, lay your hands on me. No, you can't stop thinking about it. I know that you're shitty and you're bad for me, but I can't stop thinking about it.
Should I be doing this? Am I missing out? I could have been getting it back this whole time. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean.
Take off my makeup with me, Orbeez edition. All the Orbeez are already sliding off. Don't ask me why I did this because I don't really have a good reason. I just like Orbeez. Okay, here we go. Let's get the nose. Ooh. This feels so weird. Oh, it's in my mouth. My face really do be shiny though. It's literally in my ear. I wish I just had an Orby face all the time. Okay, let's get this side. Ooh. It's down my neck too. Okay, well, now I have Orbeez everywhere and my face is really sticky, but thanks for watching. Follow for more.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with a wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh! And the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. I can't even open my mouth all the way, what? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. My skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but... Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
See me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here. And here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, Rainbow Special Effects Edition? Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup, Mel. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching. Side. Get these eyes off. I look like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.